Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my first ever Sam Edelman slides. This is coming with a green neon color box. The color is very cute. And then as usual, the tissue papers. And it's coming with the normal simple dust bag, which is actually used almost all companies. Nothing special about the dust bags, only the Sam Edelman written on their dust bags. And here is the sandal, which is called the Irina Sandel, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I guess it is Irina Sandel from the Sam Edelman. For some reason, I did not find much review about these sandals in the YouTube. I only found these slides from one YouTube video where one YouTuber suggested about the summer slides or the spring summer slides, and I found this one and I thought it's a very cute one. And okay, so here is it, the Sam Edelman Irina slides, which I really like because the design is very cute and the whole silhouette is very cute. This is man-made, I mean the handmade slides. This upper portion is leather. I'm not sure what kind of leather, but it's like the smooth leather on the corner, and there is another patch in the, you know, the green calf skin, something like that. If you can see in the, I'm not sure it's it can be seen in the video or not. This is like the green calf leather, and this is the smooth leather. Yeah, and also it's a very nice one. The back of the sandal, it's remind me the Chloe sandal, my Chloe sandal. It's the something like that. And also the back portion, they have the, you know, the sleep resistant thing so that you cannot sleep. And here Sam Edelman written here. It is written that made in Vietnam. And the Sam Edelman New York stamped in the back of the slides. And yeah, that's the slides. It's very cute one. In my first impression, when I ordered this one, it was written in the website that these slides are running big, so better to order half size or one size down. I am a true 37 or true 37 in Europe or 7 in US, so I sized down one, so I ordered the 6.5, which is 36.5 in the Europe, and it actually doesn't fit me properly. I mean, I should have ordered my original size, I think, because this is I think this is made for the girls who have the narrow foot. My foot is mostly in the broader side, so I can feel that it's just I should have ordered my original size, which is 37 or US 7. But yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, I still can wear that. I was contemplating whether to keep it or to return it so many times, and it feels, I mean, it's not the end of the earth. I still can wear that, but I really feel that I should have ordered my original size, which is 7 or 37. Anyway, I was looking for a very wide pair of slides, but which is not too wide. I was looking for something like that, like the chalky white or the creamy white, and this fits perfectly. Okay, I know that this is a very neutral color for, I mean, anyone can have in their wardrobe, but my neutral is not the white. My neutral is kind of tan brown. This is my neutral because I feel like that complement my skins well. This also, doesn't look bad. I mean, I can wear my this color so many times. My Chloe slides are this color, but it's a little bit darker than this white. So I was, because I feel like the white doesn't suit me at all. I mean, for my skin tone, though it goes with the many outfits, but I tend to prefer go for a warmer kind of white, which is something like that. And I'm so happy that I got this one. But sometimes it's very difficult to get a proper white shoes for me, because, or if I go for the cream one, then it's like the very creamy, not too much. I mean, it's just this, it's just the right balance, these slides. So I couldn't resist to take the, I mean, buy it. I purchased it online, and yeah, I put some clips to show how it fits. It a little bit smaller from my legs. I mean, my foot are a little bit outside. This also happened with my Chloe slides, because I supposed to size up for my Chloe slides, which I didn't. So it feels similar like my Chloe slides. So I thought, okay, if I can wear the Chloe slides, I also can wear this one. So I decided to keep this one. And yeah, I will update you later after the wear and tear, after a few wears. But I'm happy that this is a leather one. The Chloe slides is almost same color, but I did not want, the Chloe slide is kind of, you know, you need to wear it very informal, with the informal ways, like in the beach, or maybe just a fun out, I mean the fun night out, something like that. But I did not have a nice white kind of slippers. By the way, I do not wear heels, so I always go for slipper. I know it's also not like very, you know, for the date night kind of slides, but yeah, I'm okay with that. I wanted to buy the Gucci one. Yeah, that's another story. Whatever, I wanted to buy the Gucci slides for me, but the Gucci slides are expensive. I mean, this is not even cheaper. It's about almost around $150, which is not cheap any means. But the Gucci slides are more expensive. I mean, it's triple the price. And I was thinking that because this is the neutral, it can go with any kinds of my dresses, but white is actually not my neutral. My neutral is, you know, the beige or tan or brown. That's the neutral for me. White is, I try to avoid wear whites. I mean, yeah, I mean, this is not my neutral at all. I sometimes, only few dresses I need to wear something very nice. I have some dresses in my mind which I need to wear in the vacation, so I decided to buy this one. And I realized that if I invest like about, you know, approximately $1,000, because the Gucci slides are, I think, 700 plus US dollar at this moment. I'm not sure the exact price, but yeah, it's more than $700. And I was thinking, white is not my neutral, and the Gucci slides are also similar, like it's not that strike white, it's similar kind of this white. I already tried that in the Gucci store. I liked those slides really. I'm thinking to buy those slides in another color rather than the white. Because I like the color, I like the cut, I like everything. But I was thinking, like, I do not wear white too much, so it's not wise to, you know, spend so much money in one slipper which I don't wear that much. The color, I mean, if I wear like that, if I buy the Gucci slides in black color or brown colored, I'm okay with that, because I know I'm going to wear my black and brown in almost every time. But with the white, I think I rarely wear white sandals. and if I want to wear, I go for a warmer cream, something like that. I mean, which is mostly beige. So yeah, that's why I was looking for a slides which is cute enough, and also I can wear in with the traditional clothes or in any kind of clothes, and which is not strike white, and which is also leather. So Sam Edelman, it checked all the boxes, so I decided to go for this slide. But I really wish I ordered my regular size. I'm feeling like when I wear these slides and I look on my foot, I was feeling that it's not flattering at all on my foot, because it seems like my foots are, very big for this type of slides. But when I was looking in the mirror, I was feeling like not that bad. I can go with that. I can work with that. Anyway, I was contemplating a lot, and after a lot of fight inside my head, I decided to keep this one, and I will update you after a few wears how it held, and whatever the wear and tear. So, but I afraid that this will imprint my fingers, and I'm not sure. I will update you. But I'm glad it's a leather one. Okay, it's not uncomfortable. I wore it like at the house. I tried this one, and it's not uncomfortable. I cannot say it's very comfortable, but it's not uncomfortable. I can wear this, and it's good that they have the cushion in there. What it called in the sole, so it's a cushiony, so it gives you some extra comfort. But yeah, overall I'm okay. I cannot say I'm over the moon, I'm happy, but I'm okay with this purchase. Let me see how it goes and how far I can hold this one, and I will update you on my 3 months review. So yeah, this is all about my Sam Edelman Irina slides. And on my next video, I'm going to review about my Tory Burch Mini Miller Jelly Sandal. So if you want to watch the review on these slides, then please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the video of the review for these beautiful Tory Burch Mini Miller Jelly Sandals. I think that's all for today, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.